Let's meet Mr. James, a manager of a renowned industry in Australia. He wanted to replace the old boilers with the latest models to increase efficiency and productivity. So, he searched on Google for the best boiler service provider near his location. He came across the site of O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd, viewed their products and read the positive reviews. After getting satisfied, he dialed 1300771759 and discussed his requirements with their experts. Their qualified professionals helped him to choose suitable boilers and also installed them expertly. The new boilers had advanced technologies and the most updated features with accessible designs. Mr. James was overjoyed to receive premium quality products at such competitive rates. So, are you also looking for modern boilers for your industry? Check out o'brienenergy.com.au to know further.